How to use Ask AI for translations. Need to translate something quickly without freezing apps or using Google Translate? In this video, I will show you how to use Ask AI to get a fast, accurate translations in just a few seconds. Let's go. First, open your browser and go to www.iask.ai. You don't even need an account to try this. Just start typing. Type your translation request into the search bar just like you would ask a person. For example, translate "How are you" into French, or "What does certain phrase means" in English. Then hit enter or click ask. In just seconds, Ask AI will give you the correct translation, along with some extra context or meaning, especially for non-literal phrases. It's quick, accurate, and super beginner friendly. Want the translation in a certain tone or for a specific use? Try asking "Translate good morning" into formal Japanese, or "How do you say thank you" politely in German. The more specific you are, the better the AI can help. You can even ask AI to explain the grammar, pronunciation tips, or the difference between two phrases. It's like having a language tutor in your pocket. And that's how you use Ask AI for translations. Quick, easy, and smart. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.